there, this is Atif Mahmood. In this video, I will be providing an overview of a blockchain project, CISO, the operating system for dApps. The project is in its next stage in which they rewarded early adopter with CEZ token and distributed to over 5,800 wallets. Also, funding has been allocated for the initial seed listing and their community has been growing steadily. They are now preparing to launch CISO POS mining. The final phase of CISO staking will be initiated on CISO mainnet deployment. Also, they are yet to announce their public sale for CISO tokens. So if that project excites you and you want to learn more about project or want to participate in pre-sale or public sale of project, the link to their website and Telegram group will be given in the description box. You can visit and ask admin about the pre-sale starting date. So if you find the project interesting and have gut feelings about project, you can invest in this project after do your own research. If you find this project interesting and have gut feeling about project, you can invest in this project after do your own research. But the team is focusing more on developing the project instead of price because we are already in bull run as Bitcoin just crossed over $19,000. They also conducted a bounty to collect big community aside, and through this process they collected a huge community around them and got also some appearance on big crypto platform too. Once people know the worth of the project with the huge community, CISO token will take off with huge surge in price. As always, we are not paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just a personal opinion and analysis and not an investment advice. We talk about the problem CISO is trying to solve. As we know, the cryptocurrency has been on the market since 2009. Since that year, cryptocurrency has undergone many changes in terms on function and feature. It is not the only cryptocurrency that is developing. Blockchain technology, which is basis of cryptocurrency, is also growing, which make it easier for people to be able to apply it to more complex financial cases. But if we look back, the development of cryptocurrency was not that significant, and there are still many problems that cause it to be difficult for the public to accept. For example, crypto users often experience slow transaction processing problem, security, and other problems that often hinder cryptocurrency adoption. Specifically, what is exactly CISO? CISO is off-chain computation using a custom Linux operating system to reduce blockchain load and faster processing. It is a specially designed decentralized operating system infrastructure that enables the creation of a good ecosystem that dApps need to run. With CISO, developers can feel significant improvement in calculation and processing speed, which cannot be achieved with conventional technology. CISO is built with the Linux system architecture and utilizes off-chain and blockchain technology, which will solve various problems usually faced by dApps, for example, computation speed, hardware and OS limitations, verification and reproducibilities. CISO is built with the Linux system architecture and utilizes off-chain and blockchain technology, which will solve various problems usually faced by dApps, for example, computation speed, hardware and OS limitations, verifications, reproducibility, security, and runtime, and several other problems, and make the blockchain ecosystem is becoming faster and more efficient. CISO is an ecosystem consisting of several platforms. Following are detail of the CISO ecosystem. CISO OS. This is an operating system specially developed by CISO intended for the development of decentralized applications. Off-chain feature. This feature low resources intensive calculation can be processed off-chain. AI cloud computing and big data. CISO is an advanced operating system that uses artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and big data to create a fast and efficient operating system. We talk about the adoption. It's easy to integrate automated verification and efficient operating system. So if we look at the key features of the CISO. CISO keeps operating running transparently following the value of decentralization, which prioritizes transparency. All the process and calculation will be carried out by CISO so that all computation can be concluded as reliable by the user. CISO will be reduced delay in calculation since everything is being done off-chain, which will increase the efficiency. If we talk about the speed, if we talk about the speed is the main goal of using services like CISO. With CISO processing smart contract, building token etc. It can be done several times faster. It can be used by various developers and with a variety of hardware compatible with the blockchain and operating system. CISO pays close attention to security because security is paramount in the online data processing. With the arrival of CISO, there is no other reason for detectors or doubters to complain about the efficiency of decentralization. CISO provides services that stable developer to create faster, more flexible, and more scalable dApps, which can be said to be innovative breakthrough. So here are my final understanding about the CISO platform. In recent years, the development of cryptocurrency and blockchain has attracted the attention of the public, which presents features and protocols that allow cryptocurrency and blockchain to be applied in more complex cases. But often, this development is caused by several problems such as processing speed, operating system limitation, and several other problems. CISO is a Linux-based operating system developed for dApps. CISO allows developers to be able to develop dApps with the best ecosystem available on the market today, which can be reduced blockchain load and faster processing, and many other things that can be achieved with the CISO operating system. Here are some keynotes I figured out by reading this project white paper. CISO is a decentralized OS infrastructure enable the full ecosystem required by complex computation of dApps. CISO allows resources-intensive calculation can be processed off-chain. CISO provides services that enable developers to create faster, more flexible, and more scalable dApps. CISO is a Linux-based operating system developed for dApps. Thank you very much for watching our video on CISO platform. Please share your question or thought with us in the comment box. For latest reviews and market updates, please subscribe to our channel or follow us on Twitter and Facebook. See you next time and keep on crushing your crypto games.